So even with the news of the 25 million loan for Camber Energy, the price keep dipping. Because of what? Yes, you guessed it, because the technical is hitting toward the resistance that we talked about it in the last video around the 27th of December here. What we said, we're gonna see rejection around the $1.07 precisely as the ascending line, and we got rejected perfectly as we predicted. Hopefully you saw the video, because we always do like analysis for CEI, and not just a CEI, even mini stock here on our Discord, Blackroom Investing Discord. We do a lot of alert. This one for fuel cell energy after the gap. We're gonna do a video for that, because we have a really nice price reversal for it, and we have again a lot of pre-market update for a lot of stock, and one of them is BFRI that's bombing like crazy, and we hunted for the best price for it. We're gonna do a video after that. However, right now we're concerned about CEI, and CEI got rejected around the $1.10, as we said, regarding the rejection area for this channel. Look with me what's going on. This descending channel is bearish. Okay, whenever we are inside this channel, we still in the bearish momentum and the short seller in control. That's why we said, hunters, trader, be careful from this rejection area, because we gonna see a resistance, a stone wall resistance. That's why we dipped. Let me guess how much we dipped. Yeah, you save yourself almost 20% if we just sold about the $1.07. That's why the technical is always got our back. So we got a lot of question from you, where the next price level to load up for CEI. So the best price for me, if we don't hold right now around the right now is 0.88. We dipped until the 0.76. As I said, the 0.69 would be the support for the next few days, or around the 0.66. 0.66, 0.69 would be the next bounce for CEI. You see, after this rejection, we're gonna see the price go here and bounce again to see another bounce around the 0.95. So right now will be again the bounce around the 0.66. I will respect it. However, the big dip for CEI, if we don't even hold the 0.66, will be around this technical area, but this will be depending on the 31 of December, as everybody knows, and about the loan. Okay, this will kind of save us to go until the lower prices. This is kind of, we need the fundamental to hold the support. Okay, we need to have the technical first, then the fundamental to hold the support around the technical. So both of them actually aid each other. But if you just rely on one, you'll be blind. Okay, and you have the truth. That's why in science, or even in like in any kind of discipline, you have to have a lot of factors, a lot of data, in order to have more probability or margin of error with you. Okay, so the more you have like material to work with, data to work with, the more you have probability, higher probability or chance of probability to have at least edge on the market. Okay, and as I said, the 0.66 will be the next support for CEI after this rejection that happened here around the $1.10. And I will be extra careful again, as I said, for CEI, because we have kind of like psychological level right now after like the end of the year, and the new variant of Corona, and a lot of people get kind of undecision phase right now, and if everybody just moving for blue chip company, and in this kind of time of the stock when it's going down, a lot of stock is a lot of people selling stocks and moving to more secure stocks. That's why we see a lot of selling pressure for CEI, because a lot of people just get out or cut their position and go like for more more secure stocks during the end of the year. So always have a strategy, be flexible in order to win in this game. Okay, if you want to build a strategy, you can join us in comment section below for Patreon and Discord. We can discuss this, everything you want to build regarding strategy, how to buy, where to sell, and never holding back. This is the most important thing for the next year you have to focus on. And never FOMO, of course, and let the price come to you. Never run after the price. See you in the next update.